Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of the Workforce Workshop, the podcast where we dissect the latest trends, challenges, and innovations shaping the world of work. I'm your host, Chiraz Kelly, and today we're diving into a game-changing topic that's redefining how staffing firms operate: the integration of artificial intelligence and automation. Now, before you think, oh, another tech discussion, let me promise you this. What we're about to explore is nothing short of revolutionary for job seekers, employers, and the staffing industry as a whole. So whether you're a seasoned HR professional, a curious job hunter, or just someone interested in the future of work, stick around because this episode is packed with insights, stories, and actionable takeaways. Let's get started. Setting the stage, the staffing industry's evolution. To understand where we're headed, let's take a brief look at where we've been. Staffing firms have long been the backbone of workforce management. From the days of paper resumes and bulletin board job ads to the rise of online job boards like Indeed and LinkedIn, this industry has always adapted to new technologies, but the stakes are higher now. Businesses need to move faster, find better talent, and operate more efficiently than ever before. At the same time, candidates expect a seamless, personalized experience. And that's where AI and automation come in. These aren't just buzzwords, they're powerful tools reshaping how staffing firms connect the right talent with the right opportunities. What exactly are AI and automation doing in staffing? Let's break it down. At its core, AI in staffing involves using machine learning algorithms and data analytics to make more informed decisions. Automation, on the other hand, is about streamlining repetitive tasks so humans can focus on more strategic activities. Together, they're transforming three critical aspects of staffing: candidate selection, recruitment processes, and verification methods. Let's start with candidate selection. Picture this. A staffing firm gets hundreds, if not thousands, of resumes for a single job posting. Traditionally, a recruiter would have to sift through all that manually time-consuming and error-prone process. Today, AI-driven tools can analyze those resumes in seconds, identifying the most qualified candidates based on job descriptions, skills, and even cultural fit. But it doesn't stop there. Some tools can even predict a candidate's likelihood of success in a role by analyzing their past work experiences, education, and soft skills. It's like having a crystal ball, except it's powered by data, not magic. Next, let's talk about streamlining recruitment processes. Ever applied for a job and felt like you were stuck in a never-ending cycle of emails and interviews? AI is changing that by automating tasks like interview scheduling, follow-ups, and even initial screening interviews. Chatbots, for example, can interact with candidates to answer FAQs, collect essential information, and guide them through the application process all without human intervention. Finally, we have verification methods. Ensuring a candidate's credentials, work history, and references are accurate is a critical but often tedious part of recruitment. AI can now automate background checks and credential verification, reducing the time it takes from days to mere hours. Life examples of AI and automation in action. Now that we've set the stage, let's look at some real-world examples of how staffing firms are using AI and automation. Take the case of a leading global staffing agency, let's call them Talent Bridge, that implemented an AI-driven matching platform. This tool analyzes job descriptions and candidate profiles to generate a short list of top matches. The result? They've reduced their time to fill metrics by nearly 40% and improved client satisfaction rates dramatically. Another example is a mid-sized firm specializing in real tech recruitment. They've integrated chatbots into their recruitment process to handle initial candidate queries. Not only has this freed up their recruiters' time, but it's also provided candidates with 24/7 support, leading to a 25% increase in applicant engagement. And let's not forget about startups. A small staffing firm in healthcare leveraged AI to automate credentialing for nurses and medical professionals. By doing so, they've significantly reduced the time it takes to place candidates in critical care roles, a win-win for both employers and patients. The role of data in enhancing AI and automation. Let's pause for a moment and talk about the fuel that powers AI and automation: Data. The more data a staffing firm can collect and analyze, the more accurate and efficient its AI tools become. For instance, some firms are using workforce analytics to identify patterns in hiring trends. Are there certain times of the year when specific skills are in high demand? What qualities do top-performing employees in a particular role share? These insights can help recruiters not only fill current openings, but also anticipate future needs. But here's the catch. Not all data is good data. Ensuring that the information fed into AI systems is accurate, relevant, and free from bias is crucial. This is where data governance and ethical AI practices come into play. Staffing firms must invest in robust data management systems to ensure that their AI tools deliver fair and reliable outcomes. The human touch in a tech-driven world. Now, here's the big question. If AI and automation are doing so much of the heavy lifting, what's left for human recruiters? The answer is a lot. While technology can analyze data and perform tasks faster than humans, it can't replace the emotional intelligence, empathy, and nuanced understanding that recruiters bring to the table. For example, building relationships with clients and candidates, understanding unique team dynamics, and negotiating offers are all areas where the human touch is irreplaceable. Think of it this way. AI is the engine, but humans are the drivers. Staffing firms that strike the right balance between technology and human expertise will be the ones to thrive in this new era. Challenges and ethical considerations. Of course, no technology comes without its challenges. One of the biggest concerns with AI in staffing is bias. If the data fed into an AI system contains bias, whether it's related to gender, race, or age, the system will likely replicate those biases in its recommendations. Then there's the question of transparency. Candidates and clients alike may wonder, how exactly are these AI tools making decisions? Ensuring transparency and building trust will be critical for staffing firms moving forward. And finally, there's the issue of job displacement. As automation takes over more tasks, some roles within staffing firms may evolve or even disappear. However, this also creates opportunities for upskilling and reskilling employees to take on higher value roles. What's next? The future of AI and automation in staffing. So, what does the future hold? Experts predict that AI will become even more sophisticated, capable of analyzing not just resumes, but also video interviews, social media profiles, and even candidate psychometrics. Automation will continue to streamline processes, but it'll also become more integrated, offering a seamless experience for both recruiters and candidates. We may also see the rise of predictive analytics, where staffing firms can forecast hiring trends, anticipate skills shortages, and proactively build talent pipelines. Imagine a world where staffing firms are no longer reactive, but are instead strategic partners in workforce planning. As we wrap up today's episode, here's my challenge to all of you. Whether you're a recruiter, a business leader, or a job seeker, embrace the possibilities that AI and automation bring. Learn about the tools shaping our industry, ask questions, stay curious, because the future of work isn't something that happens to you, it's something we create together. And if you're as excited about this topic as I am, don't forget to subscribe to the Workforce Workshop for more discussions like this. Share this episode with your network, and let's start a conversation about how we can harness technology to build a better, more inclusive workforce.